Hello again. This is my latest updates to my server rack. Basically what I've done is I've replaced the M72e with an M73. So it may seem a bit of a small update, but it's been a big improvement. This is acting as my media server and web server as well. What I did was I got a M73 for about £30 off of eBay, so it had no memory, no processor, anything like that. So what I've done is given it an i7 processor as an upgrade, and it's actually got around 12 gigabytes of RAM. And I've also replaced the hard drive, as it come without one, and put an SSD in. The big difference between this and the M72 was M72 had USB 2 ports, this is USB 3, so I have an external drive here which again has been upgraded to one that is unpowered, so it means that I'll have less clutter, and also the throughput is double for the hard drive on this, so it's not to today's standards, as you imagine, but it's double the throughput of the SATA. It's running Windows Server 2016, which did have issues with the network adapter, so I had to tweak the install file in order for that to work. But since then, it's dramatically better than the old setup I had before. And as you can hear, is practically silent, so you just don't hear it, and it's got a very small form factor, but just obviously used this improvised rack drawer for it to just neatly stack it away. But that's it. That's my later update for the media server. Thanks for watching.